You guys, look at our food. Most of the water has been dried up. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. The baby say hi guys.
Hi guys.
So I want to make beans and plantain this morning. I would like to carry you guys along. So please stay tuned, watch the video to the end, like, comment, share my video, okay? So this is the plantain I brought out from my freezer last night. Let me wash my hand, because I needed it to melt. I brought it out from the freezer, and here is the remaining one. So you can see this one still have eyes. Look at eyes on them. So this isn't enough. I'll take more from this one. So let's cut. I've also cooked my beans last night. So I need to wash it before I come back to, cut it. So let's cut. Like, I prefer to cut this thing like this. It's faster. Like this. So you guys, here is the plantain. I think I need to add two or one more. So let's add these two. I removed it from this lid and I put it in I put it inside the water to melt, because it's still having eyes on it. English is not my mate though. Okay, English is not my mate, so you guys should manage me. Manage the English like that. If not that this plantain is like this, on a norm I would prefer to, cut it into, like, chop it into smaller sizes than this. That is how I prefer my plantain inside beans. This one that people will fry plantain and then cook porridge beans. It's not my thing, Joe. Most times I don't like it. Like, I want to, you know, put it inside the beans, stir everything together, and I feel it's sweeter like that. Okay. So you guys, here is my beans. This beans is super soft. Like, I started cooking these beans late, okay, at the early hours of today, hence it's very, very soft. Okay, so before I start introducing you guys to the ingredients, please do not come for me. Every day is not for fish and meat. Okay, so I'm making this food with crayfish, only crayfish. So just take me as you see me. Okay, I have chicken in my freezer, I have meat in my freezer, I have fish in my freezer, but this is how I want to make today's own. Okay, yeah, so let's dive right into the introduction the introduction of the ingredients. Yeah, guys, this is my clean water that I want to add into the beans. Okay, here is palm oil. This is the crayfish, the almighty crayfish. Here is my fresh pepper. As if it, oh God, let me say this, guys, as if it's only when I want to make video my chicken, the cock will crow, or do you hear that, or the dog will start barking. I don't know why it's that though. I don't know why. Like, if you check on my video, almost all of them, this chicken will not crow. Sometimes I wait for them to, you know, go to the front or the back. You see, I don't even need to say too much. So where did I stop? Okay, the crayfish, the fresh pepper, my chopped onion seasoning, in other words, Maggi, Abby. Here is salt, and here is my plantain. Okay, so let's start adding everything together. Let's start adding up everything, because yeah, of course the beans is soft already. So here is our beans. First off, let me show you guys. Did you see what I was saying? The beans is already soft. Okay, and then I would like to go in with some water first. Sorry, this spoon that I'm using, don't mind me. Here is the plantain. After the plantain comes in our chopped onion. Okay, comes in the chopped onion, the seasoning goes in, and yeah, the pepper, okay, the fresh pepper goes in. I'll be adding the remaining one later, not now. Okay, and yeah, let's cover this and cook for now. Okay, yeah. You guys, look at our food. Most of the water has been dried up. So guys, time to go in with the palm oil. I have to scoop out all the oil from it, and then I want to go in with the pepper. Here is the crayfish. I want to go in with some salt. So I still have to cover it, okay, and it will be ready in a bit. You guys, this is what we have here. So let's stir our beans and plantain. Our food is ready, so yeah, let me turn off the heat. Okay. Guys, I know you're surprised, right? I just finished bathing my face. I'm sweating, but like I rub what is it called? What is that one called? That one that I used to rub on the face. Sunscreen. Yeah, here's I'm sweating. Baby, say hi.
Hi.
Baby, say hi.
Hi, guys.
Yeah, so we are done cooking. So guys, let me dish the food. Then we are going to take to the shop. Okay, so this is a perfect way to make your beans and plantain. Okay, and welcome for
Comments, like, and share.
Okay, thank you. So you can, I don't know, if you guys have another method of making, you can let me know in the comment section. Okay, as for me, this is how I know best, the best way I know to make beans and plantain. So guys, have you guys seen where I was rushing off to? Here am I in my shop. I'm here. Okay, yeah. Let me show you guys what I'm wearing. So guys, this is what I am putting on today. Let me see. Yeah, you can see my leg. A very flat slippers. Okay, yeah, so that is what I'm wearing today. In fact, I would say that my other name will be simple because I like simplicity most times. Okay, like in 7 days a week, I would prefer to be simple for 5 days. That is the kind of person I am. Okay, yeah. You guys, here is my food. Here is my food. I want to eat now. You guys, I want to officially end this video here. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, share my videos. Okay, if you are new here, please subscribe. For my returning subscribers, I love you guys. You guys already know. Okay, thank you guys for always stopping by, watching my video. Okay, and yeah, I want to okay, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.